Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Vidumini. Today I want to talk about something I absolutely love doing. Today we are diving into a world of shapes, colors and a whole lot of imagination. If you love challenges as much as I do, you are going to adore this. We are looking at the same Jigsaw puzzle set. This isn't just one puzzle. It actually comes with 4 unique and colorful styles. Each puzzle showcases a completely different scene, like a farm, dinosaurs, animals, and city. These designs are made to totally captivate your imagination. We got the dinosaurs puzzle because my sister Hirudini likes dinosaurs. This is the blue brachiosaurus. Did you know their necks are so long they could reach the tops of the tallest trees? They were like the living skyscrapers of dinosaur world. Next, look at this one. With the big shield on its head. This is the orange triceratops. And here is the purple stegosaurus. Look at those cool plates on its back. For us kids, learning like this kind of knowledge is so valuable. It helps us to understand how the world has changed. Teaches us about different habitats and sparks our curiosity to learn more about science and nature. Our prehistoric world is different. Why don't you try learning 3 facts about your favorite dinosaur? Let me know which one you pick. We had so much fun seeing these scenes come to life by piece by piece. Let me know in the comments if you are like to these puzzles. That's all for today. We will meet you in another video very soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.